Assalamu alaikum students. आज हम 11th class math का एक important question discuss करने जा रहे हैं, जो है chapter 4 का question 8. Question 8. ये question equation solve करना सिखाता है. We'll try that. आपको आसान लफ्ज़ों में समझा के आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से समझाए. Step by step explanation. Question. में दिया गया है 2x power 4 minus 32 is equal to 0. First step, सबसे पहले हम इस equation में common factor लेते हैं. दोनों terms में 2 common है तो हम 2 को common निकाल लेते हैं. 2 into x power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Second step, अब 2, 0 के equal नहीं हो सकता. So then x power 4 minus 16 for 0 k equal होगा. Third step, आपको याद होगा कि equation difference of squares का form बन गया है, जो कि हम इस formula के जरिए solve करते हैं. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि x power 4 minus 2 power 4 is equal to 0. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं x square minus 2 square into x square plus 2 is equal to 0. Fourth step. अब हम इसको difference of squares का formula लगाकर solve कर minus 2 square is equal to 0 and x square plus 2 square is equal to 0. अब हमारे पास दो equations हैं जो 0 की equal हैं. Fifth step. First equation implies x square minus 2 square is equal to 0. इसको solve करने के लिए हम 2 को दूसरी side by ले जाते हैं. x square is equal to 2 square. अब इसको square root लेकर solve करते हैं. x is equal to plus minus 2. Next equation 2 को solve करते हैं. Equation 2 implies x squares 2 square is equal to 0. 2 square को right side y shift carry. X is equal to minus 2 square, taking square root. Then after simplifying you get x is equal to plus minus 2 iota. Hence, plus minus 2 and plus minus 2 iota are roots of given equation. Next, question number point 2. हमारे दिया गया है 3y power 5 minus 243y is equal to 0. First step, सबसे पहले हम इस equation main common factor लेते हैं. दोनों terms main 3y common है तो हम 3y को common निकाल लेते हैं. 3y into y power 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. Second step, 3y is equal to 0 and y power 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. Ab 3, 0k equal to ni hosta. So then y equal hoga 0k and y power 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. That is equation 1. तो आपको याद होगा कि ये equation difference of squares की form बन गया है, जो कि हम इस formula के जरिए solve करते हैं. 81 को 3 power 4 भी लिख के both are same, then it will become y square whole power square minus 3 square whole power 2 is equal to 0. इस formula को use करेंगे. a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि y power 4 minus 3 power 4 is equal to 0. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं y square minus 3 square into y square plus 3 square is equal to 0. Fourth step, अब हम इसको solve करते हैं. y square minus 3 square is equal to 0. That is equation 2. And y square plus 3 square is equal to 0. That is equation 3. अब हमारे पास दो equations हैं जो 0 की equal हैं. Fifth step, second equation implies y square minus 3 square is equal to 0. इसको solve करने के लिए हम 3 को right side by shift करते हैं. y square is equal to 3 square. अब इसका square root लेकर y is equal to plus minus 3. Next, equation 3 को solve करते हैं. Equation 3 implies y square plus 3 square is equal to 0. 3 squared co, right side shift carry, y is equal to minus 2 square, taking square root. Then after simplifying you get y is equal to plus minus 3 iota, hence 0, and plus minus 3 and plus minus 3 iota are roots of given equation. या gaya hai x3 plus x2 plus x plus 1 equals 0. First step, sampali do terms main say, x2 ko common nikal laitihan, and tung terms may sai, so it will become x squared plus 1 into x plus 1. Ab humi do factors milgahin jo 0 ki equal hain. Dono ko? X plus 1 equals 0. That is equation 1. X2 word plus 1 equals 0. That is equation 2. Third step, first equation, x plus 1 equals 0. Isko solve karne ki go. Dusri side li jata hain. Pela solution. Humare pas agaya hai x equals minus 1. Second equation, x2 plus 1 equals 0. Eb 1 ko dusri side li jahain. X taking square root. You will get x is equal to plus minus iota. Next, part 4 ko solve kriti hain. My diagaya hai 5x power 5 minus 5x is equal to 0, 0. First step subsi peli hum is equation main common factor lay di hain. Dono terms main 5x common hai to hum 5x go common nikal lay di hain. 5x into x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Second step, 5x is equal to 0, hence x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, ab 5, 0k equal to ni hoskta. So then, x equal hoga, 0k, and x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. That's equation 1. Third step, equation 1 implies 1 core, 4 bilix ti hain. Aapko yaad hoga, tia equation. Difference of squares ki form bangaya hai jo ki hum is formula ki zarye, solve karte hain, is formula ko uskrige, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b in plus b yahan par. Hum dek rahi hain, x power 2 whole square 1 square whole power 2 is equal to 0. Iska, hum lik sakte hain, x square minus 1 square into x square plus 1 square is equal to 0. Fourth step, ab hum isko solve karte hain, x square minus 1 square is equal to 0. That is equation 2. And x square plus 1 square is equal to 0. That is equation 3. Abumari baz do equations hain. Jo 0 ki equal hain. Fifth step, second equation implies x square minus 1 square is equal to 0. Isko solve karne ke liye hum 1 ko right side pi shift karti hain. X square is equal to 1 square. Abiska square root li kar solve karte hain. X is equal to plus minus 1 next. Equation 3 ko solve kriti hain. Equation 3 implies x square plus 1 square is equal to 0. 1 square go right side by shift car. X is equal to minus 1 square taking square root. Then after simplifying you get x is equal to plus minus 1 iota, hence 0. And plus minus 1 and plus minus 1 iota are roots of given equation. उम्मीद है कि आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आ गया होगा. घर पर प्रैक्टिस जरूर कराएं और कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो कमेंट्स में जरूर पूछें. शुक्रिया.